Okay, everybody, those are the golden Alaska king crab. Or we call them brown crab sometimes. There's three different types of king crab up there. The golden, the red king crab, and the blue king crab. Basically, they just got a little different coloration, a little bit of different shell structure, not very much different. You cook them all up, they taste the same. Can't tell the difference in them. They do grow to be different sizes. First thing we're going to do is get this pot on the launcher. We're going to put these dogs on the side of it. We're going to secure that pot to the launcher so when the wave comes over the side, it doesn't knock that 700-pound pot across the deck. It's going to kill somebody. We're going to come up on that launcher. We're going to slide that big sorting table you see on the show underneath there. And open up the door, and we double action that pot. Dump the crab out of it. Watch on the show, they give it a little shake, the crab out of it, and we're going to put it back down. We're going to do one of two things. We're going to rebait that pot, set it back over the side. We're going to stack it on the deck of the boat and move it somewhere else. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to get these crab out, you guys. We're going to hold them. We're going to answer any questions you have about them. I want you to take tons of pictures. Okay? They have one claw that's called a crusher claw. There's a reason it's called that. It crushes things. That's its job. So if we get our fingers in it, it's going to crush our fingers. We don't want that to happen. So we do have to hold them, you guys, with sharp and spine. Wow. We're going to get them all in the tank here. It's a lot better for them. And have them out of the water. We'll come up on top there, so we'll get these in the water.
Wow.
We had a visitor last night. There was an octopus got in there and killed these crabs. The octopus are nocturnal. They come out at night. They come in and attack the crab in the pond.
I can't let you hold it, but you can come stand by it.
Okay. Come on up here, you guys. Let's get some pictures. I'll come right over here and you guys can start lining up. That claw right there, that's that crusher claw we're talking about. Okay, that thing's nothing but meat inside there. It's actually got ivory right there, like hard surface, and tons of clams and mussels and sea urchins, that kind of stuff is what they do.
Yeah, if you get scared of their muscles right up, they'll just listen, like they'll pop them right off. Yeah. Come back. You can't keep them very long. The octopuses, they'll get in there and they'll eat them all. There wasn't, they just got that guy, those guys right there on the table.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. Actually, the octopus will get in the pot and eat them out of the pot.
Yeah, honey.
You guys want to touch it?
Jan, touch them.
Yeah. You can touch it.
So will they go another way down?
They will. It's about a year for them to start growing it back. Yep. And then it takes about 7 years, I think, to get about this size.
Oh. How big are they?
They say they were about an inch a year across the back, so I would say 7 or 8 is when they're about big.
What's the average size that you bring in?
Yep.
Is that a ton in there? Or?
It's like his gills. Do you want to touch it?
I've already touched it.
Okay.
I do want to touch it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you cook them up for us?
Well, I'd love to. I'm kind of hungry, so it'd be awesome. Cool, huh? Do you want to touch?
Well, I gotta stop this now. I'm gonna stop this because I'm running out of juice.
Oh, okay.